How to fix WhatsApp message not sending. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the problem like message not sending on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, as you have to just check your internet connection, make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. Simply you can also turn on your airplane mode or you can turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds. Also you can restart your WhatsApp application. If you are still getting that issue, you'll have to update the WhatsApp. Simply for that, open App Store or Play Store. After you open that, search for WhatsApp. After you search for that, and if you find any update, tap on the update option. After you update latest version of WhatsApp, your problem should be fixed. If you are still getting that problem, you'll have to just clear the WhatsApp cache. For that, you'll have to open settings. From settings section, tap on general. From general, tap on iPhone storage. And from here, simply find out the application WhatsApp. After you find it, tap on that. From here, tap on upload app. Alright, tap on upload. After you upload the WhatsApp, tap on reinstall app again. After you clear the cache of WhatsApp, your problem should be fixed. If you are still having the problem, you'll have to just reboot or restart your iPhone. For that, open up settings. From settings section, from the general, you'll have to scroll down and tap on shutdown. After you shut down and restart your iPhone, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.